Welcome to our first series in our tone fitness activities. You're going to hear me interchange the word fitness and activities. We try to avoid the word exercise because we don't want anyone trying to make an excuse not to do it. All right, it's going to be very simple, basic 6 steps I'm going to go through. If you have a pillow, please grab that because this will help. But if not, again, if you don't think you need it, that's fine. So let's go ahead and get on the mat. So just relax, okay? You're going to put your pillow between your legs, and just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Relax yourself. Release any tension in your body. All right? So the first we're going to do is called a basic chest lift. And in this chest lift, I need you to have your back flat against the mat. I don't want an arch. I don't want any space, all right? Because we don't want to hurt our back. We want to tone it. Have your tummy tight as you can, like a string is pulling between your umbilicus to the mat. All right, so you want to engage your abdominals. And then, of course, for the pillow between your legs, just press it slightly. So we're going to start off with our hands behind our heads, but interlace it like this. Don't make it tight. Just relax again. Breathe in and out through it. And the goal is we're lifting up our chest wall. We're not lifting up our neck. We're lifting up our chest wall. See that? You go as far as you're comfortable to do so and engage your abdominals. All right? So go back. You do another set. You exhale as you go up and you inhale as you go down. All right? Take a deep breath and go up. And then you come down. All right? You can do 3 sets of 10 if you're new to this. And as you advance, you could do 3 sets of 20. Again, key point, you relax, don't tighten your neck, and then you lift. And you slowly release. Now the next step we're going to take is we're going to do a twist, all right? So when you do this, you want to keep your eyes on your knee. Don't look anywhere else. Again, make sure you're not putting strain on your neck. And you want to do what we call an oblique twist. So you're going to have your your right elbow to your left knee, and then you release down, and then you go right back up, and you twist. And then you go back down. Take a deep breath, exhale, twist, and then you come back down, and then you go up, and you twist. All right? Again, if you're a beginner, 10 sets of 3. And as you get used to it, you do 20 sets of 3. And make sure you're engaging your lower abdominals. The next step we are going to do, we're going to let go of the pillow. All right? And we're going to do what we call a tabletop with the legs, okay? So we're going to do a tabletop. You can let the hands go to your side. But what we're going to do is you don't want anything to follow. Imagine you have water on your legs. You don't want it to tap. So you're just going to tap down, okay? And then you do the same with the other one. You tap down. Make sure you engage your lower abdomen, okay? So one at a time, pointed toes. You do the same thing. Engage your lower abdomen. Make sure you don't have a arch back. And as you get comfortable with this, then you can do both, okay? Make sure you don't have a lower back. You're doing both. When your leg comes back up, you're squeezing that lower abdomen. Now, the next thing we're going to do is you're actually going to extend. Now, when you're extending, your toes want to be pointed. I hope you can see. Toes are pointed. right? And then you come back down and you do the same thing with the other one. Pointed. Okay? Engaging the lower abdomen. And as you get very comfortable, you can put your hands, because we're going to do a twist. So we're going to actually twist. It can, if you want it harder, it can be lower, or you can make it higher. All right, you twist, table back, tabletop, and then you extend like that. All right. Don't forget to breathe. It's all about your form. Don't pull on your neck. All right. And then just relax. And of course, you can hug your legs to your chest wall. All right. So those are the basic tone exercises that you can do for a beginner. We'll go into more advanced steps later.